Experiencing frequent phone key disconnections in your Tesla Model 3 can be frustrating. The primary reasons include Bluetooth sleep mode on your phone to save battery, aggressive battery optimization settings interfering with the Tesla app, outdated app versions, and occasional software glitches. The Model 3 uses Bluetooth Low Energy to communicate with your phone, so anything that disrupts that Bluetooth connection will cause a disconnection. Let's dive into fixes. Phones often enter sleep mode to conserve battery, which can disable Bluetooth and disconnect your phone key. To fix this, disable battery optimization for the Tesla app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tesla, Battery, Don't Optimize. On iOS, ensure low power mode is off in Settings, Battery. Managing battery drain is crucial for keeping your phone key connected. The Tesla app running in the background can quickly drain your phone's battery, leading to shutdowns and disconnections. This happens because the app's background processes consume power continuously. To avoid this, keep your phone charged above 20% to prevent unexpected shutdowns. If your phone has adaptive battery features, enable them in Settings. This helps the phone learn your usage patterns and optimize power consumption for the Tesla app. For longer drives, consider using a dedicated power bank. This ensures your phone stays charged without relying on the car's power system. Finally, make sure to close the Tesla app when you're not using it. This reduces background activity and preserves battery life. Outdated Tesla app versions or firmware mismatches can cause phone key pairing failures. Start by updating your Tesla app to the latest version, which is v4.20 or higher as of 2026. In the App Store, locate the Tesla app and check for updates. The App Store screenshot shows the latest version details, including features like improved phone key pairing without needing a keycard. Next, in your Model 3, navigate to the touchscreen controls. Go to Controls, then Software, to check for any available car software updates. Install them when prompted. The car's central display shows the software options, as seen in this screenshot of the controls panel. This ensures your vehicle's firmware is up to date for reliable phone key functionality. Remember, Tesla rolls out updates gradually, so your version might not be the absolute latest immediately. Regular checks help prevent disconnections caused by outdated software. If updating the Tesla app and car software doesn't resolve your phone key disconnections, try resetting the Bluetooth pairing entirely. This can fix persistent connection problems caused by corrupted pairings or device conflicts. Start by explaining when this fix is needed. If previous updates haven't worked, resetting the pairing can resolve lingering connection issues. First, in your Model 3, navigate to the touchscreen settings. Go to Controls, then Safety, then Phone Key, and select Reset. This will clear the current Bluetooth pairing from the car's system. Next, on your phone, open the Bluetooth settings. Find the Model 3 in your paired devices list and select Unpair or Forget device to remove it completely. Finally, repair your phone and car as if setting it up for the first time. Open the Tesla app, go to the Phone Key section, and follow the on-screen prompts to establish a new Bluetooth connection. This reset process clears any corrupted data and creates a fresh, stable connection. Test the phone key to ensure it's working properly before driving. When basic fixes don't resolve phone key disconnections, advanced solutions like rebooting devices and enabling ultra-wideband technology can provide more reliable access to your Model 3. To reboot the Model 3, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously until the touchscreen goes black and restarts. This clears temporary software glitches that may affect Bluetooth connectivity. Ultra-wideband provides more precise distance measurement than standard Bluetooth, allowing your phone to unlock the car from further away and with fewer interruptions. Access this through the Tesla app or vehicle touchscreen under Security or Connectivity settings. Tesla's official support channels offer a troubleshooting wizard that diagnoses problems in real time. Access it through the Tesla app or website. Many users report resolutions within 24 hours after using the wizard. Don't hesitate to contact Tesla support if you're still facing issues. They can provide personalized assistance. Looking ahead, Tesla is moving towards more reliable digital key solutions like NFC and potentially even satellite based keys for global access. While Bluetooth dependency is decreasing, staying proactive with software updates and managing your phone's settings remains crucial for a seamless phone key experience. For now, use the Tesla keycard if the issue persists after attempting all fixes.